How to hard reset Realme GT7 Pro.
Step 1. Firstly, you should fully deactivate the phone. Open the power menu by holding the power key for a few seconds.
Step 2. Move the switcher down to choose the power off method and wait for a while.
Step 3. Now let's launch the mode where the operation can be found. In the same time, hold down the power button with the volume down key. Further guide is available in the description below. Since the remaining steps are technical and complex, we have detailed them in an external blog post. Make sure the device has at least 50% battery or remains connected to power during the hard reset. After the hard reset finishes, disconnect any cables and let the phone sit for 30 to 60 seconds before use. Open the link in the description to continue and finish the hard reset process.